What if you could earn money recommending products you already use without ever creating a product, handling shipping, or dealing with customer service? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. And in this video, I'm going to break it down so simply that by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how it works and how a complete beginner can actually get started. Stay with me because at the end, I'm also going to show you the exact steps to make your first affiliate commission. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping everyday people like you and me make real money online. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that work. Let's get into it. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Imagine your friend just bought an amazing blender. You taste the smoothie, you love it, and you tell 5 of your other friends about it. 2 of them go buy the blender. Now imagine the blender company paid you a commission every time someone bought because of your recommendation. That is affiliate marketing. You are the middleman between a company and a customer. You promote their product, someone buys through your special link, and you get paid a percentage of that sale. You never touch the product. You never deal with refunds. You never ship anything. Your only job is to connect the right people with the right product. Now, there are 3 main players in affiliate marketing, and you need to understand all 3. Number 1, the merchant. This is the company or person who created the product. It could be a big company like Amazon, a software company, a course creator, anyone who has a product and wants more people to buy it. Number 2, the affiliate. That's you. You sign up for their affiliate program, you get a unique tracking link, and you promote that link to your audience. Number 3, the customer. This is the person who clicks your link and makes a purchase. They don't pay anything extra. The commission comes out of the merchant's marketing budget, not the customer's pocket. Now let's talk about how you actually get paid, because this is where it gets exciting. Every time someone clicks your unique affiliate link and buys the product, the system tracks that sale back to you, and you earn a commission. Commissions vary a lot depending on the product. Physical products, like things you'd find on Amazon, typically pay anywhere from 1% to 10%. Digital products, like online courses, software, or membership sites, can pay anywhere from 20% all the way up to 50% or even higher. Some programs pay recurring commissions every single month as long as the customer stays subscribed. So for example, if you're promoting a $200 course with a 40% commission, you earn $80 every single time someone buys through your link. You don't need 1,000 sales to make good money. You need the right product and the right audience. So how do affiliates actually get people to click their links? There are a bunch of ways, and you don't need all of them. You just need one that works for you. YouTube. Exactly what I'm doing right now. You make videos, you put your affiliate links in the description, and people who watch your videos click and buy. Blogging. You write articles and product reviews, rank them on Google, and people searching for that product find your link. Social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You create content, build a following, and promote products to that audience. Email marketing, and you build a list of subscribers and send them recommendations directly to their inbox. The platform doesn't matter as much as the consistency. Pick one, get good at it, and stay consistent. Now, before I show you the steps to get started, let me quickly cover the mistakes most beginners make so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, promoting products they've never used. Your audience can feel inauthenticity. Always promote products you actually believe in or have researched thoroughly. Mistake number 2, expecting overnight results. Affiliate marketing is a real business. It takes time to build. Most people quit right before things start working. Mistake number 3, promoting too many products at once. Pick 1 or 2 products, learn them deeply, and focus. Don't scatter your energy across 20 different affiliate programs. Okay, so here are the basic steps to get started as a complete beginner. Step 1, pick a niche. A niche is just a specific topic or audience. Make money online. Health and fitness, personal finance, pet care. The narrower the better when you're starting out. Step 2 is find an affiliate product to promote. Look for products that solve a real problem for your audience. Check affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, Share a Sale, or just Google the product you love followed by affiliate program. Step 3. Create content. Start making videos, writing blogs, posting on social media, whatever platform feels natural to you. Focus on helping people, not just selling. Step 4. Add your affiliate links. Once you have content, place your links where people can see them. Video descriptions, blog posts, social media bios. Step 5. Drive traffic and be consistent. This is the step most people skip mentally. Traffic is people. The more people who see your content, the more clicks, the more sales. Stay consistent and keep creating. And that's it. That is affiliate marketing broken down as simply as I could make it. It's not complicated, it's not a scam. It's a legitimate business model that millions of people around the world use to earn income online, some part-time, some full-time. If you're serious about getting started, I want to help you. Check the links in the description below. Those are the exact tools and resources I use and recommend for beginners. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps this channel grow and it tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Subscribe if you haven't already because I'm going to be posting regular videos walking you through every step of building your online income from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.